Do you want to discover how to earn online income using YouTube, even if you don't want to be on camera, don't know editing, and don't have hours a day to spend learning? That's what I'm going to show you today. A simple, step-by-step system for seniors to build a faceless YouTube channel that brings in income without the overwhelm. Most people think you have to show your face on YouTube, but that's not true. With faceless YouTube channels, you can use stock footage and images, add AI voiceovers with tools like 11 Labs, which is optional, and drop into CapCut, or use text-to-video editors like in Video, like I do. You can build an entire channel without ever appearing on camera. The best niches for faceless YouTube channels are personal finance, health and wellness, lifestyle and hobbies, and motivational content. Here's my simple process. Use Tube Magic to find trending keywords and get a script. Paste that script into InVideo, edit video with built-in stock footage, and upload to YouTube. That's it. No camera, no fancy editing, no stress. If you'd prefer a proven system over years of trial and error, I'd love to introduce you to Tube Mastery and Monetization, the exact system I invested in for my channels. Click the link in the description to learn more.